Hey guys, this is Suchita and welcome back to my channel. In order to lead a healthy lifestyle, one must keep in mind that only exercising and working out or just cutting down junk intake from diet is not going to help. An effective way to achieve a healthy lifestyle demands a nutritive diet. So, if you're someone who is struggling with extra body weight and wish to have a healthy mind and body, then it gets imperative for you to consume a diet that has fiber and protein in good amounts. When it comes to protein, it is said to aid weight loss to a great extent. So, in today's video, I am sharing very quick, easy, and protein rich moong dal chila. It is a very famous South Indian recipe which is also called pesarattu. For this, I take 1 cup of whole moong dal and soaked it for 3 to 4 hours. Moong dal chila is light on stomach and perfect for weight loss and weight management. You can have it in breakfast, lunch or dinner. Now drain the water. I always kept it ready in my fridge so that whenever I want to make moong dal chila or dosa, I can use it. It does not require any fermentation, but you need to soak moong dal. Let's grind it into a paste now. Add 1 to 2 green chilies in it. Then add some curry leaves. Moong lentils are a rich source of fiber that makes it a heart-friendly food too. Then add half inch of ginger in it. Other than this, moong dal is also known for its high protein content. Then add salt as per taste. Having it in the form of chila could facilitate weight loss greatly. Look at the consistency, guys. If it's too thick, you can adjust the consistency. Now add some chopped onion and coriander leaves and mix it nicely. Take 1 to 2 spoons of this batter and spread it on a griddle. This plant-based protein is perfect for vegetarians who cannot depend on animal-based sources for their daily protein intake. Now drizzle some desi ghee around the corners and let it cook nicely. Here it's ready to serve. You can enjoy these hot chilas with any kind of pickle or chutney of your choice. So guys, try this and let me know through your comments. We can also make it more protein dense by adding stuffing like paneer or green peas. It not only enhances the taste of the chila but also add to its nutritional value. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.